In this video, I'll be showing you how to get free leads for your brand, your services, your business, or your product every day with your TikTok videos, especially if you have hit 1,000 followers and you are using the business TikTok account, not the personal TikTok account. If you want to switch over to the business TikTok account so that you can enjoy this opportunity, go ahead and do so. So I'm about to post this video. It's a video I did on updates on ISBN for authors. Okay, I'm an author, right? I'm also a content creator and a marketer. All right, so I'm doing this for authors. I'll be giving them updates soon, right? So that's why I'm posting this video. So I'm going to head over to where you see add link. So I click on it, and so I'll click on this one that says get leads. Click on it. So lead means like sign up, getting people's email, whatever at all you want to get from people, okay? Visit your page or your video, right? So you don't need to run ad. This is free, totally free. So now I'll click here at the bottom where it says by continuing you agree to the business account lead generation terms. I click here, then start getting leads. I'll click on it. Then for the first time I'm here, so it's asking me to create a lead form. So I'll click on, by the way, this lead form, you can access it through the business suite, right? You can get to this business suite if you are on business account, right? Just click on the menu from your profile and you now see business suite. Click on it, you see get leads, okay? So we are at that place now. It's a create form. So I'll click on create form. And so the first thing I will do here is to title my form. Let me just title it Authors Special. Yeah. Then team, leave it as it is. Leave all these as they are. If you're not from an English speaking state or whatever, or your customers are not from there, you can change this English to their language. But for me, I'll leave it at English. No need for advanced setting for now. Just go to next. So what we did here was just the form name, then go to next. Now next here, you can choose to turn on the introduction, but for me, I don't need it. Statement of purpose, I'll just write here, giving my best for authors. I want to adjust this to putting in my best for self-publishing authors. So down here, after the purpose statement, you will now see personal information. This is where you choose what you want to get from the person, right? That is email, name, or other things. For me here, I want to just go for email and name. Okay, those are selected. Let me pick first name. Yeah, and remove name. Okay, so you can choose last name, choose other things. I can as well choose gender. I think these three are okay, so I know who I'm dealing with. The country, let me leave it. I think every other thing should be the way they are. I'll click on done. We are not yet done, but for that aspect, in some forms, I just leave it at email, okay? Just make it as simple as you can, right? Now, coming to disclaimer, if you put custom disclaimer, you need to fill in this, but for me, I will just use their templates, okay? What I will do here is to write my company name. It mustn't be registered. So I'll write need met as the company name. Registered address, I'll just write Nigeria here. Okay. Email address, I'll just input any email of mine. Okay, so we are done. So you can easily preview what you've done, but no need for that, because what you preview here, when you click on preview, it doesn't really show you the form. It shows you something, all of this. So I don't need to go through this. So let me just save it and let's continue. So what next? Yeah, we'll put our email. Let's click on next. And then we come here. All right. So I'll just write a headline here. Because this form cannot be deleted or edited, I think I'll do something better there. Let me first of all write something here. Get best tips, tools, and trends on writing. Okay. Let me just write here, welcome. I'm Onyi, always here for your success. Okay, so the final thing we'll do is to add a call to action button. So go to add, under where you see call to action button, go to add, click on add. and leave it at view website. That's normally what I'll do. But then under button text, I'll just edit reach me on WhatsApp. Okay, then I'll put the link here. I've already created the link. Okay, reach me on WhatsApp. Save this. Last thing I'll do is to submit this form. I'll hit on submit, confirm. So it's saying no form yet, but that's not to worry. So what we'll do is we can go to business suite, but let me click on this again. We can go to business suite and find out. Okay, let's just click business suite from here, or let me show you so that you don't get confused. Let's move out from here, but it will mean me just keeping this to draft. Let me keep this video to draft. All right, so having kept it to draft, I'll just log out from here, or move out from here, not log out. So I go to my profile and then I'll go to the menu. Okay, then I'll go to business suite, click on it. I'm showing you the route to getting this always. Get leads, can you see it? I click on it. Okay, now you notice where it says lead forms, it wrote one here, so let me click on it. So it's in review. Okay, so within a few minutes, maybe 3 to 5 minutes, it will be approved, and when it's approved, I'll then finish up with this video so you see how to add it to your video anytime you upload a video. Okay, you can create different forms for different products or your brand, okay, such that anytime you upload a particular video, you can use the form button to direct people to that product or to that brand, right? So that's it. You can create as many forms as you can, but be careful how you create the forms, that you don't make mistake, because at the moment you can't delete the form. That's from my experience, because I've created a lot of forms in my other accounts. Okay, so we can refresh to see if our form has been approved. I've been talking, but let's see. It has been approved. Okay, so that's it. I told you in a few minutes it will be approved. So let's return to our video now. This is the video we put on draft. I click on it, this one. Okay, this is 936. I come to this place again, then add link. Then when we go to get leads now, because we've created our form, you will see that we have a form. I've clicked on it. So as you can see here now, we have a form. The title to the form is Authors Special. Can you see? So all I will do is I can preview it. I can just click here to see what the form looks like. So can you see what the form looks like? The person will put the email, first name, and then gender, right? And then submit. Okay, so that's it. So let's add the form. We just did preview to be sure. That's what we did. That's what we created. So add form. And this time around, I will just select call to action here. I think contact us will do. Yeah, let me use contact us. I think that's the best for this. Yeah, I can always choose a different one. So then click on next, and we are done. The next thing is to post our video, to upload our video. Every other thing is in order, so I'll post the video. Once I post the video, I'll show you how the form comes on the video. All right, so this is the video here. I click on it. Okay, this is 936. Now can you see here where it says contact us? That's the button we added. So let me click on it. And so I can go ahead, automatically it picks my email, so I can go ahead and add my name. I simply add Onyi, and then here select gender, male, done. Then can you see here submit? But look down here under privacy notice, it says, that's the last part, it says view need met privacy policy. Okay, because I told you I was going to use their template, and that's what I did. So what I will do now is to submit. Let's see what happens when we hit submit. So it says, welcome, I'm Onyi, always for your writing success. Okay, get the best tips, tools, and trends on writing. So down here you see reach me on WhatsApp. Okay, so that's the last thing. So the person can click here now, and boom, the person will land on my WhatsApp. So it's opening now to my WhatsApp, right? It's opening now. So I can open WhatsApp. Sorry, I locked it. Can you see the message? Hi Onyi, I need to speak with you about my book project. My name is Kazi. So the person can write me and just paste it. Okay, if you found this video helpful, do like, share, and follow for more.